What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We are at the Turlock flea market, a different flea market other than what we've been at normally. It's in Turlock. We drove, what, like an hour and a half to get there?
Yeah. What time do we leave?
We left at 2 in the morning, like 2:30. We woke up, I was up at like 1:30. I was just sitting there awake. It sucked, all right? You know, I didn't really sleep at all. So, today's been fun. Let's see what we can find though. All right, this is definitely a different looking flea market. You can tell just by, like, as soon as I record, look at, everybody's got like these preset, like all these are preset when we pretty much are driving in here. All these metal poles up so everyone can like put their canopies up. That's pretty cool. I like that. Some Pokemon cards are over here. Some Pokemon cards. Definitely fake. I like it. You can almost tell by looking from this far away. Look at these boxes. One thing I found out about fake cards is that there's like ridges on the top, and I think I can see them right here. How much on the box? 25. You said 25 bucks. That's definitely fake, guys. So you know. All right, guys. Unfortunately, both my batteries are dead, so this is gonna be a weird day of recording. This is gonna be a weird day of recording. I can't record everything. I gotta like record it when I know I have to record. We got these 2 games. This Guitar Hero game I got because I do be buying a lot of Guitar Hero guitars, and if you have the game with it, it increases the value, of course. And I just bought this Monopoly Streets game. It sells for like 12 bucks online. Paid 3 for it. 2 bucks, I guess, actually. Not bad. We got some batteries charged, actually. We found our charger, so I'll get you guys some more footage. It's a different flea market. It's not more of a flea market. I think I'll buy stuff from. It's more of like an antique flea market. I don't know what it is, guys, about this flea market. It seems like people like to stare at me a lot when I'm just walking around trying to get some pics. Especially while I'm in this stall trying to like scan stuff. The guys, the seller, or just a lot of people just like stare at me like I'm trying to get some stuff to resell, guys. Come on, why are you making it a little bit awkward? What are these? It's weird. Let's try it. Let's try it out, guys. Here you go.
Thank you.
All right, guys. 100% fake, right? Or let's say 98% chance that it's fake. You gotta give it a little bit of a chance, right? Because it's $1 a pack. Like these, especially these packs, these are expensive. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's fake. Hey, that $1 is gone, guys. We just like to see what's going on here. Like, what's going on at this flea market? Bam, bam. Yeah, you can tell it's, oh my god, that is fake as heck. Is at least gonna give us some good pulls at the end? Come on. It even give us a fake hollow. What the heck? What the heck?
Hi.
Hello.
This ones are all silver.
Alright. How much on this ring?
26. That's for protection?
Oh, it's for like YouTube. I record for YouTube. Post on YouTube.
There's a fight over a t-shirt with a guy.
How much is this?
5? Terminator 2.
You take 3 on it?
Anyone? No.
It's fine. I'll pay 5. I'll just.
No, you gotta try it. I do the same.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You have a good day. All right, I didn't even look it up, guys. I guess I took a chance on it, but there's no way, right? Like, I guess I really would have hoped stick $3 just for the profit margin, higher profit margin, whatever it's called, ROI, rate of interest. I don't know these terminologies, but let's see. Let's scan it right now. Look at it, guys. So I paid $5 for it. These sealed are like 100, 200 bucks right there. 175, 175, 150. 129, and these are sealed though, unfortunately. This isn't sealed, but like, come on, I paid $5. I'll list it for even $50, all right? 10 times my profit, all right? How much on the book? Is this on the dollar row?
Yeah, it's $1.
All right.
All right.
No,
thank you.
well,
10.
when they're young, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
I'll think about it. Let's see if I get those cards.
How you call that?
Think about it.
All right, decent deal. Paid $1 for this book. Sells for about 15 bucks. We'll take it. Hey, what is this, a little Pokemon picture?
I'll keep that in mind
Cool.
when I'm trying to put everything together. I know, right? Hey, I'm trying to make
Hopefully we can find one of those phone case places here. I want to I need a pair of earbuds, honestly. I know there's always like phone case places at flea markets. Like, you know, they sell phone cases, like chargers and earbuds, hopefully. I need a pair of earbuds so I can like edit and stuff without everyone having to hear me. So hopefully we can find one of those too today.
Yeah.
How much does it sell for? 150 bucks sealed. Sealed though, yeah. So 50 bucks or 60 bucks unsealed, probably.
I'm thinking 15.
15?
20. Don't
What
waste your
the-
battery.
What the heck, Dad? Well, I'm recording you. I'm asking.
Well, did you find one that was used? Well, in my opinion, without looking up, if you just, I
so
would say
if
50.
so, $150 sealed, you would sell for 15 bucks unsealed.
That's sealed is usually gonna be 5 to 10 times more.
Look at it. Okay, those ones are sold. Look at it. It said like 300 sealed. Actually, I was tripping. You scroll down a bunch, I guess. Fine.
$29.99.
Well, those ones are different. That
35.
one's different.
Oh.
You can sell them
30.
40.
I was off a little bit.
He's
You
off
just
by a
asked
good
me- you
amount.
just asked me
50
quick.
bucks. I could sell for 60 bucks if I wanted to. That one's unsealed, but I don't want to wait the time. I'll probably list it for $5.
I can guarantee you're getting 30 minimum.
And I don't know why. I don't have to look up the Star Wars stuff. If the person ever says like $3 for like a trilogy thing of Star Wars or most things Star Wars, I'll just buy it without looking it up. I didn't even
You know
look
what
at.
the even funnier part is?
I didn't even
You
look.
don't like Star Wars.
You guys let me know in the comments if I should have bought these for $10 because I have absolutely zero idea what these are for. I've never seen those cards before. You guys let me know in the comments if that was worth buying or not because I have zero idea on those packs. I've never seen them before. I don't really have money to waste at the moment, unfortunately. So I'm not gonna just spend 10 bucks on that to not really know if it's good to buy or not, you know? To get. Oh, what the heck? Oh, please. See, I just said I don't have money to waste, but I will waste my money on this right now. How much on the wallet?
$4 each.
No limit. We got those ones. We got these ones right here.
Am I gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm actually recording right now. Yeah.
Great.
Usually I like to go a little bit lower so I don't get people's faces if they don't want to be in it. I'll buy this trackable.
got?
I'm a little bit. I only got like 1,500 right now.
Hey, it's a start.
So yeah, my dad's the one who got me more into it because he has a big following. So I really.
Oh, you're Mike's kid. Last time I seen you, you were like.
Yeah, I haven't been to this flea market in a while.
So.
It's so for me specific. I'm pretty young. I'm not too good with vintage stuff like antiques, and that's what seems to be a lot of the stuff here.
Yeah.
A lot of people stare at me a little bit too. Like I have my camera, they just like stare at me.
How'd you get so tall? Your mom tall?
No, I'm taller than pretty much most people in my family. I'm taller than. I don't know what happened. I'm fine with it.
The mailman must have been tall. Huh?
Mailman. How much for this?
I'll do 10 bucks on that.
All right. Thank you for the wallet, though. I needed a wallet. I don't have a wallet.
I had one with a $100 bill on it out here, and I sold it.
Really? Oh wow. Thank you. You have a good day.
Thanks, man. Happy hunting.
Thank you. All right, so we got a wallet finally, guys. Let's go. Look at that. I can actually put my money in here. Look at it. Let's put the money I got right now inside this wallet real quick. Look at that wallet. I think it's sick. Look at Irma and Goku chilling. People are very persistent here. They'll like lower the price if you like start to walk away, which is good. That's business. It's pretty good to do. Sometimes I'm not really walking away. It's almost for a reason.
I think it's a charger to the
Oh, all right.
to that phone.
How much for this game?
I'll take 20 bucks for it. Key?
I'm good. I don't know. It'll be a little bit annoying to sell just because of like it's chips and stuff.
Yeah.
It's fine. Thank you though. All right. For some reason, I've been very like just. I've been looking towards these like VHS or just. I should have felt that. That was just full of pens and stuff. But yeah, we've been going towards these like trilogy set things because those are really good on eBay. And for some reason, they just treat them as like a normal movie here. They'll sell them for like $2 or $3. I'm fine with it. I'll take that all day. Oh, there's a power supply. I didn't even notice that at first. Power supply for a computer. Man, I know matches can actually sell. Like literally just one of these little things that matches. $2 big bucks. Good morning. There's music everywhere, guys. It's kind of hard to record, but there's also food places everywhere, which is kind of cool. Places like Stockton, they don't really have many food places. They have like that one or two that they have, which is cool and all, but this one has like variety. You can get some cheeseburgers if you want, get some tacos. You can get there's a bunch of Mexican food places though. This is mainly Mexican food places. I like the variety on that. There's a bunch of places I can get. Oh, they're fake. That's what I was saying. These are some nice cards. There's no way. But they're fake. I think, right? These gotta be, like, they look off. Yeah, they definitely are. I'm debating. I don't know if I want to buy one of these. You sure you won't take 20 on one of these?
20 for one?
Well, if I buy two, you would go 20 for...
40 for two.
I'll do it. Which one should I get? You pick out two I get, all right? You pick out the two I get. You pick out the two I get. You pick the two I get pretty much. I'm fine with whatever one. You just pick them for me. All right, those two. Those are the two I get. Let's hope I get some good luck from those. Thank you.
All right.
I appreciate it. I gave in. I had to buy the Pokemon cards. Got two tins. Let's hope we get some crazy pulls, you know. That'd be great. That'd be great. I bought them just because it's lower than retail. And it's like $4 a pack at that price, which is cool. And I mean, I did get some good pulls. That pretty much me buying that just like took my profits away for the day. That's kind of why I did it. I was like, I already knew I got some good picks today, so I really wouldn't be losing money, but I won't be gaining money really either, unless those give me some good pulls. But I just enjoy buying them, all right? They're fun to open. Let's hope we get something good from them. So we're done here. We're wrapping it up. It's like 12 o'clock. We stayed here pretty late. We normally don't stay at the flea market till like 12, but at this flea market we did. My dad said this is one of our best sales for Christmas lights now, so we'll be here again, most likely. Dang, these are cool. Look at that Pikachu. That doesn't even look like a real Pikachu. Looks all messed up. Thank you. I think sells for like 10 bucks online. Well, not 10 bucks. I think it was like 15 actually. So there's no need to buy that. I bought one of those like 2 weeks ago, I think, from the flea market. So I kind of know the price on it already. Some movies. Oh my god, look at that. That is like a pirate sword. It's like one of those swords you'll see in like a pirate fight, I feel like. You know what I'm talking about? You know, you got pirates fighting or something, you have like one of these long swords. It's kind of cool. All right, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, especially if you're watching the outro. That means you watched to the end. I love you for that.
I didn't watch all the way to the end.
He didn't though, so shame on him. Put a heart in the comments, just a normal heart, not a hand heart. Put a normal heart in the comments if you guys watch this far. Peace out.